traders, this is Rich with breathingwiththemarkets.com. Today is October 30th, 2025. Tomorrow is Halloween. I hope you did well in the market. I did well in the market, although I had one sacrificial lamb. I had one account that, yes, I lost. And yes, I went against my system. That is the reason why I lost. And that is a fact. That can be backed up by evidence. That can be backed up by showing the mentees that I train on a daily basis. I went against my system. I tell them always, do not go against my system. If you go against my system, you are gambling. Yes, I gambled on that trade. I was in profit on that trade. I was in deep on that trade. And it reversed on me. Yes, it did. And I lost that account, knowing that I should not have been in that trade. We are human. I knew it was wrong prior to even executing the trade. I knew it was wrong, that I shouldn't be taking that trade. I wanted that pump. I got that pump, didn't get out in time, lost the trade. And then I recouped, went in the direction the market intended to in the first fucking damn place. And I made $1,500 on that account. Let's check it out. Here it is. The account at the top. It was a good run for this account. I've been going back and forth with Take Profit Trader. How long are these payouts going to take me? Remember, every platform is different. Every prop firm is different. Respect all platforms, respect all prop firms. But you got to really figure out what is accurate and what is truthful based on data and data alone. Kind of like trading the market. So I lost the first account above and I ended up making $1,525 in the next account, which I'll take out a payout late this evening. And I passed these 4 accounts down here. Not a bad day. Not happy about the account above, of course, but I know exactly why I lost that account. And when you know exactly why you lost that account without your opinion, that's all that matters. How am I able to say on YouTube, I lost that account because I went against my system? That's because there's factual information and we know exactly what direction to trade in based on the system that I've created, based on the gems in the market, based on the entire market. And I lost that account. They can go back and they can look at that objectively, everyone, and everyone would have the same answer. Even if they didn't know that it was a test, they would have the same answers and the reason why. That is the strongest trading system that I know of on YouTube and throughout the trading world alone. The system that I created is so powerful, so objective. I have mentees that come, I have mentees on the first day, they're like, what the hell? I can't believe this. What the hell? They followed all of these other gurus on the internet, and when I show them the real market, they can't believe it. But they're seeing it for the first time with their own eyes as I continue to navigate them through the market and building that strong foundation to be successful at trading. I want 100%. Let me say this again. I want 100% of all of those mentees to become successful at trading. It's not a wish. It's not a wishful thinking. They're going to do it. I set the bar high. They're going to do it. Let's get into the rest. Let's check out this information on Take Profit Trader. If we go right here, up at the top, this 1,852, this actually started 2 days ago, literally 2 days ago, on the 28th my time. Their dates and stuff like that are screwed up also. Might not be screwed up on their end, but it's a day behind or day early or whatever the fuck it is. It should be the same, right? It should always adjust to wherever you are in the country, right? You would think. Multi-million-dollar companies, you'd think that they would kind of have that in their system. I don't know, just about. I made the 1,852 2 days ago, which would be October 28th, 2025. Today was the first day. 2 days later was the first day that the profits were out of the account and reduced down to the buffer amount of $2,000. So I can actually trade the accounts. What do I mean actually trade the accounts? Why would you want to blow those accounts up or get less than your profits? Because they don't tell you that on the website. But from my experiences now, and their delays now are putting you at risk for losing your profits. If you have the profits, quit and collect. Now it's about a 2 to 3 day process, if not more. I highly doubt, this is pending today. Tomorrow is Friday. Mark my words, I could be wrong, but I doubt it. Maybe they speed it up. But this process is going to take 24 hours in the pending from lately. Lately, it's pending for 24 hours. After 2 days of waiting. So that's the third day. And the third day is Friday, tomorrow. And then you have Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday I might get it in my account. 6 days. So 6 days is this entire process for this payout. Does that sound like daily to you? I don't know what their definition of daily payouts is. Because with the system they have and the lag that they have, it is impossible to take daily payouts and several daily payouts as advertised, depending on your account. How is that possible if they keep stacking on each other and the computer can't figure that out? And I'm telling you the computer can't figure that out because it can't even figure out my payout requests. If we look down here at the bottom, October 28, 2025 at 10:09 p.m. I took this payout. I requested this payout. That was the time that this withdrawal button here, part of the process or not? Look at what part of the process is, by definition. I pressed the withdrawal button and started the process. They had already started this process prior, right? They verified that the money was in the account. Once they verified the money was in the account, they gave me the withdrawal button. Once I press that withdrawal button, it starts the process that I want to request a withdrawal. That's my money I want to request a withdrawal. So that was on October 28th. Last night, October 29th at 11:50 p.m., it said your withdrawal request has been approved. Your money will be transferred to your wallet shortly. Then you can go to your wallet. Okay. So, what do? You're sleeping probably at 11:50 p.m. at night. And it really doesn't matter at that point. They're not up. And then we get to today. So this is the 29th. So the 30th, which is today, that money actually hit the account. Then I had to request another withdrawal. So I had to request a withdrawal to a request a withdrawal. Let me say this again. I had to request a withdrawal to request a withdrawal. The first process is about 2 days. The second process is going to be probably another day because the last one was like a 24-hour period before I could request a deposit. So I have to request a withdrawal, waited 2 days approximately, request another withdrawal on the second day, right? And then waited another day to request it to be transferred to my account. And that could take 1 to 2 business days. Where is the daily payout? I don't know. You have to figure that out. Believe nothing you hear and half of what you see. If you want to learn how to trade on a daily basis, come on over to breathingwiththemarkets.com. We're going to have fun. You are going to learn how to trade correctly in the market. I guarantee it. I can back it up. The mentees are taking payouts through various prop firms. The mentees are taking payouts, one after the other, at various prop firms. They are passing their tests. They are happy. I have created a foundation that they will have for life. Their skill will build each and every day. There's nothing stronger than trading objectively in the market. You are gambling if you think, you know, you hope, I think I'm going to do this, I'm going to try this. Let me tell you something. I lost my ass this morning on one account because of that mentality. And I know the fucking market. And I knew it was the wrong trade. I knew it was the wrong trade. You don't know if it's the wrong trade because you haven't even learned how to trade. That was a gamble today. I lost that account gambling. That's a fact. Not because I lose. Every time I lose an account, I go, oh, it's gambling. Oh, I lost today because I was gambling. No, it is gambling based on the system that I designed for the traders to follow a systematic approach with objective evidence in the market, following the gems in the market to place the trade with the highest probability. And you know what I did? I went against that at that moment in time. And what happened? That was a gamble. It's a fact. I wish you well. Have a great day. Peace, traders.